In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the unusual activity detected from your device issue in Chatgpt. If you've encountered this error, there are some straightforward troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve it quickly. So let's jump right in and get your Chatgpt experience back on track. First, you should always begin by checking your internet connection. A stable and secure connection is crucial for Chatgpt to function correctly. Ensure that your Wi-Fi or wired connection is active and stable. If you're using a router, try restarting it to refresh your internet settings. Sometimes, just reconnecting can solve a lot of connectivity-related issues. Next, the tried and true method of signing out and signing back in can often resolve a wide array of issues, not just with Chatgpt, but with other online services as well. So log out of Chatgpt, wait a few seconds, and then log back in. This process can help refresh your session and resolve any temporary glitches impacting your account. If you're using Chatgpt on multiple devices, another important step is to log out of everywhere except one device. This can prevent conflicts between devices, which might be causing the unusual activity error. Head to your account settings, look for the section where you can manage devices, and ensure that you're only signed in on a single device. Clearing your browser's cookies, cache, and site data specifically for Chatgpt can also help. Over time, these files can accumulate and cause issues with how websites load or function. By clearing them, you're essentially giving your browser a clean slate to work with. Check your browser settings, look for the privacy or security section, and clear the cookies related to Chatgpt. This can often rectify performance issues due to outdated or corrupt cookies. Finally, another great option is to try using Chatgpt in incognito mode, or if you're using a browser like Safari, it would be private mode. This mode prevents your browser from using existing cookies or cache, allowing you to access Chatgpt in a fresh browsing session. It's like going undercover, but for troubleshooting purposes. This step can sometimes bypass the problem entirely, indicating that your issue is likely connected to cookie or cache data. With these steps, you're well on your way to resolving the unusual activity issue in Chatgpt. Remember, these steps are not just reactive, they can also be a part of your routine maintenance to ensure a smooth experience with Chatgpt in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be glad to help. Until next time, happy chatting!